Welcome to BalsaCircle.com, your one-stop shop for all of your event decor. Today we're going to show you 3 beautiful and unique looks for your chairs. We've got really simplistic to also a little bit more detailed for the third one. So let's go ahead and dive in. We're going to start with our table runner. This is our Sequin table runner in the color of Serenity Blue. You're just going to fold it over in half and sling it over that Chiavari chair. Then you're going to take that folded area that's in the front of the chair, open it up, and then you're going to put around this diamond napkin ring that is perfect for this. We don't put all the way around the entire thing because there's a little bit too much fabric going on there, but don't worry, we found a solution and this looks just as beautiful. We have them also in gold and of course the silver one that we showed you, and these go beautifully with our Sequin table runners. So for the Chiavari chairs, if you're going for a kind of a quick thing to decorate your chairs, that's definitely the look that you're going for. For our second look here, we're using our tutu chair cover and also our spandex chair sash. Now with the chair cover here, we are going to need a little bit of steam. You know, it does come a little bit wrinkled naturally when it comes in the mail. No worries, steaming it will just make it look really nice, voluminous, and beautiful. So here we're using one of our metallic spandex chair sashes. This is in the color of silver. We have multitude of colors, as you can see on the left hand side there. Kind of adds a little bit of glamour. If you want to add that, it's up to you. You don't have to. Maybe add a little bit of color depending on what your event colors are. You can kind of play around with that. And with our third look, we're going to be using 5 pieces of our chair sashes. So this one adds a little bit more detail. You're going to bring it all the way on top and loop it around so it covers that top part. Then through the second one, you're going to go behind. The third one, you're going to go in front, and the bottom one, you're going to go behind. Now it's the opposite on the second go round. So here we're looping it on top, we're coming in front, now we're going in back, and then we're ending in front. Once again, for the third one, you're just going to copy how you did it the first time. So you're just going to go on top, in back, in front, and then in back, on top, in front, in back, and down, and then the last one is just like the first one. So once you're done with all 5 of them, remember, if these come in various colors, I love this specific color, it's violet amethyst, and each package has 5 pieces, so per chair. So hopefully you guys enjoyed these. Each of them will definitely service different events and what your needs and budget might be. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. If you did, make sure that you let us know by liking the video, share it with a friend, and subscribe for your creative decor and event ideas. Until next time, stay creative.